Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So this is going to be a series on DBMS using SQL. In this series, we will be using MySQL as our query language. So I'm assuming that you all have uh, MySQL installed in your system and SQL Geo community for query writing, and you are geeky to learn DBMS, right? So in this video, we'll be creating a database to work with the database to perform some operation on database. We need to have a database first. So that's why we need to create a database. So how you can create a database? Simply go to database menu, create database, and you have to provide a database name. Suppose this is DB. This is the database name I'm giving here, and click on create. And you can see DB database has been created, and there is a table as a sub element under this database, and we have to create those tables also. And in the next video, I will see you how you can create table and how you can perform operations on that. So thank you for watching. Stay attached. See you soon. Bye bye.